Wait, I have a question. Did Saudi Arabia and Qatar just uncover a covert intelligence operation in the Gulf? Were Israeli spies secretly operating inside the region? And did a dramatic strike on Saudi Arabia's oil infrastructure expose a hidden layer of the Iran-Israel shadow war? Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhritiyatri, and the latest claims coming out of the Middle East have added another explosive twist to an already volatile conflict. It all started with a sudden attack. Well, a drone strike targeted the Ras Tanura oil refinery, one of the most critical energy facilities operated by Saudi Aramco. Well, the refinery is located on Saudi Arabia's eastern coast and is considered one of the world's largest oil exports terminal. Millions of barrels of oil passes through this Ras Tanura every single day. So when the facility was stuck, alarms went off across global market. Oil traders watched closely. Security agencies were on high alert because an attack on Ras Tanura is not just on Saudi Arabia. It affects the entire world's energy supply. But the mystery deepened when a senior Iranian military official stepped forward with a stunning allegation. According to him, the drone strike was not an Iranian attack. Instead, he claimed it was a deliberate false flag operation carried out by Israel. That's right, his accusation, it was direct. He said that the operation was orchestrated by Mossad, Israel's powerful foreign intelligence agency. And you know what the purpose was? To create confusion, to shift the blame onto Iran, and to pressurize the Gulf nation into turning against Tehran. Well, Iran's narrative suggests something bigger here. Officials in Tehran say that Israel wants to expand the conflict beyond Iran and Israel by drawing the regional powers into the confrontation. According to the claim, staging attacks on oil infrastructure could create fear among Gulf governments, forcing them to tighten security cooperation with Israel and the US. And yes, at the very same time, it would divert attention away from Israeli strikes inside Iran. But so far, let me tell you, there is no independent evidence that has confirmed these allegations. Well, then another claim entered the story and it made the situation even more dramatic. American political commentator Tucker Carlson said that the authorities in Saudi Arabia and Qatar had detained individuals suspected of being Mossad operatives. Yes, according to Carlson's statement, these alleged agents, they were planning bomb attacks inside the Gulf nation. Now, if that is true, then that would suggest an extensive intelligence operation unfolding quietly across the region. However, neither Saudi Arabia nor Qatar has really confirmed each arrest here. And here, Israel has not really responded publicly to these claims. Well, to understand the whole significance of this story, we need to look at the bigger political picture here. For years, Israel and Iran have been engaged in shadow war. Well, this conflict rarely takes place through direct battles. Instead, it unfolds through covert operations, be it cyber attacks, assassination, drone strike, and intelligence missions carried out quietly across multiple countries. There have been previous accusations also involving sabotage against oil facilities in the Gulf. Saudi Arabia's energy infrastructure has been targeted before also, including the major attacks on Aramco that temporarily disrupted the global oil production. After those incidents, Saudi Arabia invested billions of dollars into advanced air defense systems, radar networks, and counter-drone technologies. Yet, the latest strike shows that even heavily protected sites, they remain vulnerable, which, by the way, raises a key question: who actually carried out the attack? Well, the timing of these accusations is also very important. The wider confrontation between Israel and Iran have been escalating rapidly. Airstrikes, missile attacks, covert operations have intensified across the Gulf. Countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, and others, they are now finding themselves caught in the middle of a dangerous geopolitical contest.